here, Precious Jones Huntsville, better known as Precious. Guys, thank you so much for clicking on this video. I really do appreciate that. And to all of my viewers, my subscribers, my family, thank you so much. I see you. Each time you leave a comment, I see you. And if this is your first time, welcome. You can become a part of the Precious family. All you have to do is when you finish watching this video, click on the subscribe button, hit the notification bell twice, leave me comments, and give me a thumbs up. And I have just given you the formula to become a part of the Precious family. Okay guys, here is the finished result. So we are going to start at this console table right here. So I know you're probably wondering why I never moved this mirror from this wall. But guys, let me tell you. When I purchased this mirror, I was told that this mirror weighs over 60 pounds. Now guys, this mirror is no joke, okay? So it took 3 guys to put this mirror up, and they already told me I would not be moving this mirror around because they will not help me again if I keep moving it. But look at the thickness of this mirror. So this is the reason why I'm letting this mirror stay on this wall at least for a while, okay? Until they tell me, okay, I'm gonna help you if you want to take down this mirror and put it up in another place. But right now, this is what you're going to see. Okay, so right here on the top, this is where I have my vase. This is my tube vase. And I'm going like modern on this side, guys. So you're going to see me mixing a little bit of this and that from time to time, okay? And I got my purple and white flowers in here. And because my color is still purple, so I'm just incorporating purple in different areas. Okay, I got my candle. Here go my candle holder. Candle pillar holder, and I just got this sitting on a riser to give this some height. And moving on to this side here, I have my Venice de Milo lady here, and I thought she was cute, so I housed her right there. And moving on to the bottom shelf, okay, this is a live plant, guys, okay, and it's sitting in a nice heavy pot here, and this is different variety of plants in that pot. Okay, moving on to my table here. Okay, let's start on this end. Right here I have another tuber white vase matching the one that's on my console table. And I got a little modern going on here as well. Here I got my Michelangelo bust right there. And my Chanel books sitting in a tray, and also that little small candle there. So guys, like I said, I just want to keep it modern. You might see me mixing something, maybe farmhouse, a little bit of different metals this particular season, so just look out for that. And here I have my horse. Just got the beads going across the back for like a saddle, make-believe saddle going across his back. Okay, I just thought this horse was cute. Okay, right here, guys, I went and I found me another bust statue, and his name is Hermes. Okay, so I just housed him on the end of this table near Michelangelo. Okay, and it is also sitting on some books to give it that dimensions, a little height. And here I'm using my little DIY plant that I did. And guys, I know you remember this April shower Mayflower. So I didn't want to just trash it for right now. I'm going to, maybe I can use it in another space. So right here, I'm using that little April shower Mayflower umbrella that I made for that collaboration, okay? All right, guys, so let's move on over to the table, my end table. Okay, so here is my end table where I got my purple, shades of purple in this vase here, this beautiful glass vase. And I also have my deep purple, or more like a royal purple, in my little love jar that I DIY'd here. And I got my little straw ball right there also. And also I kept this gold bird. And also I got my candle, but I do not have it on. For some reason I keep forgetting to turn it on, but anyway, so this is what we got on this end. Now guys, I have the same thing on the other end of the couch. All right, so let's move on to the couch. Okay, on this couch here, I got my gray and black pillows, got it matching on each side, got the same pattern going over here on this side of the couch. And I also got this white shimmering little furry pillow, got another one right here. And also I got a lavender pillow matching those, but they're just different color. And I also got this lavender pillow, it's on this gray couch. So I'm keeping everything soft in this area, guys. So I don't have much color, but for this particular season, you might see me coming in doing something different. But for right now in this season, I'm keeping it soft, okay? And moving directly above it, guys, I added my mirror and I added my sconce, 2 sconces on the side, and my shelf, my French swag shelf. And then I have the 2 DIYs candle holders that I did, and the little small miniature candle holder in the very middle. And so I added some more soft lavender flowers here. And I came in and put 2 of the deep purple soft lavender rose in my candle holder. So that kept that soft in that area. Okay. And let's move on to this area right here. Now, as I said, I got the identical same thing on this side right here. And right along this wall here, I added some new sconces. This is a mosaic clear glass sconces. And this is new, so all right, guys, so let's move on to my couch. And just disregard the greenery over there because I was using some stuff to decorate. This is not part of my decoration, guys, okay? I'm just using that, playing around with it, okay? All right, so right here you're going to see I got my gray, black, and white pillows, one on each side matching. And then I also got my silver shimmering pillow as well. Got 2 of those matching. And then I came in just to soften this up. Well, just to add a little pop to it, I came in with the lavender pillows. And yes, I can chop those. But I wanted them to be a little larger. They're not large enough, but Anyway, they'll do until I can find some more. All right. So guys, I believe that's probably it. Oh yes, let me show you one other thing. Okay, I'm just going to set this vase here because this is a vase that I had did on another DIY, and I had some leftover palm branches, and they getting ready to check out of here, so that's why I want to go ahead and show you this right away. But anyway, if I did set that on the table, that's what it's looking like if I set this big vase on the table. But I did want to show you the vase that I had DIY'd, okay? And I went on and these here are just branches off of a tree, and I spray painted these guys. And here's another stick right here that I spray painted. Okay, and these here are just some items that I got from Burlington, and I think it was Ross. Burlington or Ross, okay? Okay guys, so I'm just gonna give you another quick pan around, and we are done. We are done. We are done. Okay guys, thank you so much for hanging out here with me today while I show you a tour of my living room. I really do appreciate that, guys. And if you have hung out with me this long and you have not subscribed, go ahead on and do so at this time, because I don't want you to miss out on any of my upcoming videos. I will be coming to you with more home decor videos, so I don't want you to miss out on that. Hit the notification bell twice, give me a thumbs up, and leave me comments, because guys, comments help my channel grow. And guys, be on the lookout for the end screen. I have a surprise there for you, another video that you can click on. Okay guys, until next time, I will see you in the next video. I will see you in the future, because your future looks good on you. Bye-bye.